If you are looking to travel on a low budget and wondering where you should go, here are the 10 best and cheapest places to visit. Welcome to our YouTube channel Backpack. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos like this. Most of us imagine Pacific Island destinations as expensive destinations filled with high-priced resorts, food and services. However, that's not always the case. Fiji, unlike its expensive island neighbors and sharp marketing by Fiji Water, is actually relatively cheap to visit. While there are many cheap night resorts in the country, you can manage to enjoy pristine beaches, world-class diving, tasty seafood and friendly locals without having to mortgage your home. You'll find a lot of flight deals to the country. Many backpackers have taken advantage of that and a small backpacker community has emerged. That means cheap guest houses, transportation and activities. Do you want to roam ancient ruins, trek through the jungle, surf and eat delicious food with few tourists around? Visit the smaller countries in Central America like El Salvador, Honduras, Nicaragua and Guatemala. Here you will find most budget hotels for around $15 per night, meals for $3, most bus rides for the same price and water for less than $1. Cambodia is one of the favorite countries in Southeast Asia. It's affordable, beautiful and the locals are incredibly hospitable. You can get a private air-conditioned room for $20, street food for $2 and transportation across the country for $20. If you are spending close to $50 a day, you are living large. It's way cheaper than all its neighbors, just as beautiful and filled with some of the nicest people in the world. It's one of the cheapest backpacking destinations in the world. Number 4. China. China is one of the budget destinations and one of the cheapest in Asia. You need to get out of the big cities. Sure, the cities are still a bargain. Hostels cost less than $20 a day, food is $2 to $5 per meal and local transportation in cities run less than $1. But the country becomes even cheaper when you get off the beaten path and the interior. This is where you'll find the best travel deals and bargains. China still remains one of the best value places in the world. Number 5. South Korea. South Korea is one of the greatest undiscovered travel destinations in the world. The food here is mind-blowing delicious and eclectic. The countryside is jaw-dropping beautiful and the nightlife is out of this world. It is one of the most underrated travel destinations out there. You can have your barbecue with drinks for just $8. Trains are cheap, everything here is cheap, plus it's fun and different. If you are looking for a budget trip to Asia, visit South Korea. There are lots of international flights to here. Pakistan is one of the cheapest destinations you can go in for vacations in a budget. You can get by on closer to $30 by staying in cheap guest houses and by using local transportations. Pakistan is a cheap backpacking destination with rich cultural history, top-class food, helpful and curious locals, and a lot to do. It's a gigantic place best explored in either one large trip or a few smaller chunks. Either way, don't miss it. Number 7. Eastern Europe. Far Eastern Europe, Ukraine, Bulgaria, Romania and Moldova is the cheapest part of the continent. You can live here like a king for less than $40 per day, paying $8 a night for a room, $2 for your meals and a few dollars for transportation. Eastern Europe has the charm and beauty of the West without the high prices or hordes of tourists you'll find in Paris or Barcelona. If you're looking for something a little more off the beaten path, come to this area of the world. Number 8. Portugal. Not all Euro countries are created equal and Portugal is one of the bargain countries in the region. One falls in love with the beautiful beaches, stunning cliffs, delicious food, jovial locals and historic cities of Portugal. Portugal has become a lot more popular and crowded in the recent years, but it's a great place after all, even if the crowds are a bit larger these days. Number 9. Australia. Australia can be incredibly cheap if you know a few tricks. Thanks to a lot of work exchange opportunities, a well-worn budget backpacker trail, lots of couch surfing hosts and a cheap groceries, you can visit Australia on a budget. Due to the 20% drop in the Australian dollar, Australia has been the most affordable it has been in years. Number 10. Thailand. On every list ever about budget travel, Thailand is where it all begins. Thailand is incredible, with a tourist trail going back decades. Thailand is the heart of backpacking in Southeast Asia, and you can get by on between $25 to $30 a day thanks to cheap guest houses, food, local buses, and attractions. If you spend all your time on the islands and in expensive accommodations, expect to pay closer to $50 a day. However, even at this price, Thailand is still one of the most bargain destinations in the world and should not be skipped. If you enjoyed our video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe and press the bell icon to see more videos like this.